So we're doing a quick demonstration of the Minisforum V3, the Asus ROG Z13, and the Surface Pro 10, and this is a gaming test. So Cameron is going to show off the Surface Pro 10 and the Minisforum V3, doing a Shadow of the Tomb Raider benchmark.
Absolutely. And just to note, Surface Pro 10 that we have, the 4 Business Edition, it's running Intel J graphics. It's a 4-core. They do have an 8-core that's actually pretty nice, but on something as light and slim as the Surface Pro 10, it's only the 4-core, which is unfortunate, but it still has better performance than last gen. And
Right,
then
yeah.
the Minisforum V3 tablet that we have here, it has an AMD APU, which is the 780M in it. And that is a pretty decent APU, probably the fastest APU that exists on the market right now between AMD and Intel. So it'll be interesting to see the results.
Yeah, Cameron has some great videos on the Minisforum V3 where he talks about how energy efficient it is and its performance compared to the Intel chipset. And it's really exciting because the battery life that they can do with the performance that they can do is really surprising.
Yeah, that may be a spoiler alert, but basically using less watts, you can get more performance with that AMD APU
Yeah.
over the Intel Core Ultra series. So
All right, let's jump over to that benchmark. We'll look at all three devices.
Estaré aquí toda la noche. ¡Hey! ¡Cuidado, niños!
All right, Cameron, thank you. That was really helpful. I know a lot of people who are looking to decide which one to game on or which one to game and draw on. If you saw our last video, this is going to be really helpful for them.
Absolutely. Good to talk to you.
Okay, thanks, Cameron. I'll talk to you again soon, and thanks for being on the channel.